Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download MySQL on your computer. So for downloading that, open any web browser. So now, after opening, search here MySQL download. So now, go to first link MySQL downloads. Now scroll down and then go to this MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Now click on MySQL Installer for Windows. So now click on this Windows MSI Installer. Select this one 2.1 MBs. Now click on download. Now click on no thanks, just start my download. So here you can see MySQL Installer has been downloaded successfully. Now double click it. So here you can see it is loading. So this will take a few seconds to load and then will launch MySQL Installer. So just wait for it. If any pop-up shows, click on yes. So here you can see MySQL Installer has been launched. So now select this full, click on this and then click on next. So now here you can see you have to select your install directory. So this will automatically select C drive. If you want to change, you can change from here. So I will leave this as it is. So now click on next. So here you can see MySQL Server, Workbench and other is ready to download. Now click on execute. So here you can see it is downloading. So after the installation or can see downloading of these, installation will start. So just wait for the downloading to end. So now here you can see downloading has been completed successfully. Now click on next. So now it is ready to install. So now click on execute and here you can see it is installing. So this will take a few seconds. So here you can see MySQL Server is installed. So just wait till this ends. So this is how you can download MySQL on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.